React Chat Supreme. We went on an ATV ride. Look like a middle. You know what I'm saying? Supreme and I can't walk. 40 minutes, boy. Supreme and long as long. Let's get into it.
Super
I
and
can't
another
stand
duper. I'm back here with another
super,
vlog, you know what
never
I'm
do
saying?
fuck.
I'm saying.
Backseat
Make sure
vlog.
to like, share, and subscribe.
It's time to like it. Oh, see.
I'm about to. Yeah, we don't just jump in with me forward.
Yo, I next been in the back.
Cologne store.
Yo,
Me the
been the
already
match at
buy
the
this
big.
cologne, yeah, but you see that cologne when you name crypto.
Yo,
Yes, when me smell this cologne, I buy this cologne. Me dey have to buy. Me not tell you like, me dey have to buy this cologne. Cause me have to fresh up myself this morning. And my mommy here, they here with me. This is my mother right here.
Hi.
She a buy a cologne if you feel like say, and can sweet on me.
Sweet, if I never make you sweet one day.
Oh yeah?
You know easy.
Oh yeah, that's what you're saying? As you can see by the thumbnail and title, me don't know a title right now cause me just a vlog phone car. Me try to be consistent. That who say. So
consistent.
that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm
Yeah,
gonna
man,
this cologne.
consistent, bro. What's the debate chat,
Hey
bro?
boss, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Easy
yeah, yeah,
40
yeah,
minute
yeah.
vlog, boy.
Yeah,
Like,
back
yo,
this.
calm,
Yeah,
calm,
back this
calm,
thing
Mr.
here
Brain,
now.
calm.
Yeah.
Welcome, sweet lady. Hi.
Mind this.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. And then see there is a cologne store. Hey, they have a cologne for 20 grand and 21 grand and they say, no, say, me go to buy a 5 grand cologne, but that one have 7 grand though. See you later, man. Body of free. Body of free.
Cologne the body no boy.
No, cologne bad man, a bad piece of cologne for
Yeah,
true.
but we cannot taste it, put on
Bad
some
piece
pan.
of cologne.
Oh my god, me sweet, same here.
Okay.
You know, smell this cologne, man?
Why you ever smell good, so I don't know.
Oh, you hear that, guys? Me ever smell good. Ever smell good. But guys, we're finally gonna get our camera, you see me? Me order
Yo,
one
Supreme, I get big
DV10
camera.
one place, so me just go draw some more money for pay if you come and do a deposit. So me I go for my camera right now. So after this video, yeah, you're supposed to see 4K
You
quality.
can
4K quality, you're supposed
4K.
to see. You're supposed to see.
4K.
Now, when you know what it says, Supreme, what Supreme doesn't look like movies on this. And them, just like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, me,
Man, this YouTube, I do. This YouTube, I do.
me feel say me need to go to some more eye chatting. Cause me not going to some eye chatting from what they here, but
What day you?
what they here, so me have to go, you see me?
Sure.
So me have to go to some more.
Okay, what day you?
What they here, so make sure to see it when we go to Kingston and also pull it.
Yeah,
We're
man.
here at the camera
Kingston,
place.
actually.
At Tech Store, see the camera at Tech Store, you see me? Go for
Need
the
a
new
camera,
camera.
come on.
No, no, see me
Need
back
camera,
behind the
come
camera,
on.
yeah. I be awesome, listen, I go see after this, yeah, you see me? Be a quality. Hello, good
Quality.
evening. Hello, what's up? Am I camera this, yeah? Oh, yes.
Where's the box? Here.
Let me see.
You right, need to link up with place, man.
This is called the
Yeah.
Sony DV. Yeah, good,
A
about camera
fake
and
spots, you know,
talk.
No, they
the
don't know
USB
nothing.
and the,
Yes, I look fake.
no, the fake stock.
Yes, I look.
Watch them not 13% this day.
Oh, that's right.
Hmm? You see that guys? You wanna see me? Are these islands comedy?
Yeah, 16 to 15. So, alright, the zoom up on the,
What?
yeah,
Oh, these islands?
yeah. Unless you have a lens where you can turn zoom on it,
Hmm.
that would be,
Oh,
you can flip around the
and they
screen.
near.
Alright,
Boy, it look out. Near man, from if I get my
Wider.
next lens, the wider.
16 still.
You know, bad.
And 16 still.
Hey, yeah.
Lens.
Prime
That
lens.
would be a prime lens. So now we can zoom it a little wider.
You wanna sell the lens there?
Can get it, we can go for some more.
Okay.
Okay, but to rent it's for 8,500. Starting January.
See that lens.
10,000, but you still get
Me that boy.
That one, yeah.
makeup
I said, no, you need the white lens and a man, big camera, man. Good. Sometimes I have to get the wide lens. But a wide lens need the fun right now in the chat, but my camera. I'm not like
Sit that man them. Alright guys, thank you very much.
I know not like this still, but it's a wide
Bye
lens
bye.
need still.
Yeah guys, so
My thing
in next
can
video we wanna see clean. Next video wanna see. Probably this is probably me I go switch up the camera for one next vlog. So probably I'll have next video wanna see. You know one vlog on by next video or if video after clip after this.
just have
Yeah,
more
me I
things
use
in
card.
it.
Me not go vlog the whole day today, so probably I want part vlog. So you know if you just catch me now when make the on that the camera, you see me?
Like,
Share and subscribe. That body is oh yes, we're here. We're in Melly.
Melly man.
Yeah guys. As me say me didn't know me that do, but you know see a long time me do want go what does it name? ATV riding where you want name, you see me? So me and Mel there here, you know? Me and Mel are gonna have some fun.
Oh.
Like we gonna have some fun. Guys, we're gonna
That
have
was so
some fun.
fun. I
Yeah,
just
me
missed
and
that.
Melly here. You miss
Melly
me?
Melly. Yo, me never find it like no tongue thing that bomb.
YouTube with other girls.
Find me on YouTube with other girls?
Yeah, that's scratching now,
Sure, me I see. Ah.
Mm.
Guys, just make sure to like, share, and subscribe. You don't want me and Mel go bad up this place, yeah. And this place, yeah. My name Arun, I say is in the watcher.
Why? Never see that. Never see them sing
Only
this
the
place.
paintballing.
That's supposed to deer, you know, no? What me know say place they are like you do this in them. I can bust two shot and sing them. No one zip line that. My name, I don't know if you can see, but me I go zoom in here and make you see if you can see. You can't see one shit. Can't see one shit.
You can't see it, man. You can't see it,
When you
man.
dip on
You
your
can't see it.
camera, guys, I have to order some sitting for my camera. Cause if me dip on my camera right now, me cute, you know. Me do that 10 times cuter.
Yeah, right. That's in my ear.
Yeah, I feel sweet. Yeah. But guys, we there wait for Mel people them, Mel friend them. Cause about much of them, about 3, 5.
I don't know.
Got couple of them are come guys. Where they
I
are.
don't know.
We just want to tell you say we touch 40k, we touch 40k. So
Hey, body game, boss. You bad, boss, Lord. Push you,
big up
boss.
on
Go,
yourself,
go.
Tuna man. How far we are come from, you know? Far we are come from.
We go up father.
Yeah, we are come from middle days.
Middle
We
days.
used to go
Big up
from
on
first date and
Alright.
middle days we are come from, guys. So just make sure
Leave,
you
bro.
just like,
Bro,
comment,
man,
and like,
this week, like,
subscribe on the day.
Oh,
2.5k likes. Fissy back Mel.
Ratty.
Yeah, no, yeah, we have to start treat them, you know. So
Okay.
yeah. So guys, better value. 3k. 3k likes.
3.5.
3.5?
4.
3.4.
4, 6, 7.
Mel kinda take on off 3.4, 3.4.
Mel get Hollywood.
At
Mel get
least,
Hollywood.
something like, you see me? So, we just want to do that and just enjoy the vlogs them. Me I go deliver more vlog. When time my camera, since them come, me I go better.
Tune into the Twitch also.
Yeah, pan it.
Twitch, yeah, you see the pop
New
up.
year,
You
new
say
me,
pop
guys.
up
So,
chat. New year, new
pan
me.
Twitch,
Same me though.
And Mela go do
I'm
this,
the
you me.
Twitch, man.
Cause Mela half your always did it, you see me?
Look how much brown.
Hmm?
Shut fuck. I should have come outside and
Mela rub it, guys.
Hey!
Mela rub on the clay cream, man. Honestly, Mela rub on the clay cream. Me not gonna lie.
Mel been out.
True sitting. But man, them me and me yellow shirt. What this? Yellow shirt. Okay, man. Yellow shorts and this
Yellow
and this.
shirt,
Cause they
most
must
yellow
say we
shirt.
will get dirty. Me like either name boss me if you bring me ski mask. Amel tell me late. Cause she didn't tell me if you
I never
bring.
know neither. I never like bring
She didn't know. She just give me a kerchief. So when you know,
Kerchief.
when you see maybe I go pay
Oh man, I feel always ski up in all Supreme. I feel ever ski up. What you mean?
Hey, oh my word!
Oh my word.
You did oh my word while ago.
She's tough, man. She's tough and funny.
I don't like shit tough. If people them are supposed to come with a male friend them I think they call it, they say bearings come out okay.
What?
So
Bearings,
we
come
have
on.
wait for them and they get some update if you go for them if me not know. Bearings boss.
Bearings,
Bearings.
boss. Boy,
think a
I
wheel.
can't even know the wheel.
Bearings in a wheel.
Something on the wheel.
Bearings, why? But no
Funny.
care. I don't even know what I'm car. Bearings, I put one man sitting them next to me.
Bye.
Right.
Hey. Oh, that dance, you know? Well, me know you could have dance, Mel. You're a bad dancer, man. Let's look at the view up there. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wait, say, if me like life, me don't go up on the zip line. My name say, if me like life, me don't like life, so me I go up on here, see me? Yeah, me I go up on that, nothing. Yeah?
Well, you have different levels.
Yeah, the last level are highest.
Eh?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
high.
come from all the way up, this will come straight down.
In a mountain up yourself?
No,
In a mountain up yourself?
No!
right up there.
It's there right somewhere.
No,
You're back on that
if you ever say like feet, we are like 30 feet, 40, 50,
100.
alright. me go if me we go. If me we go. Me we go. Shit.
If we feel like.
Shit. You see, that's how you entertain people, you see me? I'm a fan of them there, you know? You see they're
I
nice.
saw
I'm a fan.
scream the name.
Yeah, Supreme,
Everyone.
Supreme. And them you tell load like a siren. We wait for
Yeah,
my
but
friend them.
the Supreme there or
On their way. Yo, here waiting on my friends. How much hours me? Yo, me asleep and wake up, youth. Me asleep and wake up. Mela, where them a do so, man?
Outside.
I think she outside though, guys. But me just updating and making a, you know,
But
making a relax
true.
and making a rap back. Guys, me I try
Yeah,
structure my
whole
vlog
time.
them more. Like me want to structure more, so like when you can see this and see that and see that. You see me have equipment and sitting in the car. Winter
Equipments,
I'm
man.
on that SUV sitting in it. You see me? Me gonna get a good
SUV.
angle and see.
Put that
Guys, so
SUV
really
over the
reach
front.
there. I think
And
that's
it's like
really
push
right.
the export
Arrange
funny
here
funny
on
there with.
But I think when you to out there, today I'm birthday. The dog must say he love me content and so they must say I surprise him with me. Hey,
Hey.
Kuya.
Kuya.
You see me?
Ah,
You see
crazy
me
thing,
do
man.
put in the work. I have number
Yeah,
one
man.
fans and yeah, so
No
I
more.
say get to work, man. So me say me know if you come
So you
out
go.
there, me say me go and easy back in the car a little bit. So me
I
just go
put
do
serious, I
that.
put in the work right over. We need
See
to,
you,
we
see
need
you
a couple
then,
number one fans.
That's cute. So they think that everybody that you know, so me I go walk in and you know. Surprise to backside.
Surprise.
Where the man do? Think I birthday you with that, you know. You dog there, that's a dog in a white shirt.
Alright, daddy one. Can't forget, you know?
Yeah, come on.
Daddy bad.
Alright. So you know, go say surprise and
Daddy
sit there.
times.
He's a come in and say, yo, happy birthday. Sue.
So just calm.
Your name
Yo,
Sue?
happy birthday, man.
SEW Sue. Okay. Alright. Fool and idiot, you know.
Nah, you got a nice
Big up
time.
yourself.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, you know, dog. Happy birthday, Anthony, you see me?
Yeah, them thing them
Yeah,
out.
man.
Yeah,
When you
man,
say
man,
that,
yeah,
we say,
You say all the things you know.
we make it. Yeah, man, that's how we are set, man.
Yeah.
Ready for this
So happy
ATV
to
thing, yeah? How we are to fix it, father?
Wow.
Fix it.
Oh God, I think so many
Yeah,
things to
man.
it. I'm dead as one.
It keeps getting better and better.
Yeah, yeah, sweet, man. I'm here, man. Guys, she said she
What that,
use.
man?
I want to then camera me having a man name, but my one son is EV10. This is Sony what? One?
Yeah.
This is Sony ZV1. Oh. She said she do TikTok and
Girl,
start
them pretty
YouTube.
down. Girl, them pretty
I
round.
have one, but it's like
You know post funny?
not really. I posted like maybe 3 videos.
Oh, yeah?
But the time, I have enough things doing, I know.
Yeah, she actually that. I don't have
No,
nothing doing,
Trini,
you know. Yeah, we love
I
them.
have
They are
nothing
said so
doing that.
nice.
I have nothing doing. No.
Oh, guys, really, I wait for one more somebody. Jesus, peace. If me feel wait, I know me mad. You want to wait, me I wait. Why your friend them not come early?
Oh, I'm actually not know that one.
Yeah.
You know that for real? Big
But
artist is there.
let me tell you now, go on, you see? You see anything Supreme tell you no, I lie.
Oh, yeah?
We just reach and the part just start get mad, you see me?
Alright. Higher than the rest.
Alright, fam.
So me, you know, man, them. Me and Melly are so.
Supreme get white
Man, they
speed,
can
man.
catch it on the side. Like, those
Yeah,
things.
man.
I do see man catch it right on the side.
Style of the fam. Style thing of the fam.
Goose. Yes, run so. A nice face and sitting. Where's the Mel? You drive fast or you drive hard?
Regular thing. Escape from the toll. By
Me,
the
me, me,
beast
me, 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 I go
now.
on like say, yeah, big
By
drive,
the
I like
beast
kill it. Oh
today.
yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Us can come later.
Oh, scared, and I want to kill man.
Boy.
Let's
So
keep
we
the
get
host,
to
man.
work, man. Guys,
It's taking long enough.
that take long?
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah.
Tired.
This match here. You know, say I usually get the pink goggles.
I know, but I already have on the glasses.
You're good, man. The glasses we rock
I've
with them,
been
man.
blind. You want my crash?
Glasses we rock
Boy.
with them. Man, let me put down this and see you. Oh, man, them. I miss
So
spy,
the
you so miss
film.
spy, you so miss spy. Me ready now, man.
Squad radio, man. Radio squad.
Me go strap up so they can strap me up and sit there, Who that is right there?
Cool your
Who that is right there?
Yeah, one of them two.
Then I tough on them.
Dance.
Dance, man. Dance, 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 dance.
Holy few.
Yeah,
Just
only for
touch
me.
it.
Yeah.
Only for me, man. Them, me not. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Helmet it up.
I'm this right here.
That is you right there. Goggle up, goggle up, goggle up, goggle up.
That's the weird beat.
Time for me kill me now. When you don't play with me, me busting
Special.
it, dog. Me busting it, dog. Me busting it, dog. I'm gonna one. Don't play with me, brother, man. Don't play with me. See this
Play
here?
with me, brother,
This is
man.
not go for it. Me click on one funny, dog. I say, no, Hannah, me and see me and I know. Give it again. See me and I know. Yeah, dog. Gonna dip on my wrist, dog. Gonna dip on my
Yes.
wrist. Just when me a drive, when you can see me good, and me can run up and down, can do all of this sitting here. I know I see me, you see me? Yeah, dog. Me just run up and down. You see me, dog? Turn around all upon me and show up on me and say, yeah, where's the Mel? Ready for this thing here?
Make it dirty, man.
Mel, you're not bad at me.
Make it dirty.
Me a bad boy, no? Don't play with me, man. I'm here, man. So, guys, you get ready to get this thing. God, and protect me and them right so keep me safe, keep me away from evil and stuff. And amen, guys. You don't know, say.
Amen,
Say,
guys.
man, I never dope.
So far, never do.
I'm a Jamaican
I
vlogger
will.
and I do a lot of
Jamaican
things and I
brother.
do whatever my mind tells me to do. But look,
Just do whatever. Just do whatever.
dog, push it. Yeah. Make it
Right.
right.
Everybody, everybody will keep a distance of at least 6 feet apart from each other. The rules over there says 10, but I'm saying 6 because I can see everybody. If you crash on off of the road and see you can't manage your bike, you're going to become a passenger, alright?
Alright, boss.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright.
No overtaking. No overtaking.
Alright.
Alright? Let me say yo, when I go to like when I listen to a tour guy, I tell you no. I take the key out of your bike.
Yo, slack this look a bit for me. Yo man, cause man, then I tell you say, even time put you out for style for me. Can't get no ear. Mighty God. Aye, that.
Good. Place a slack it or tighten it.
Slack me this still, you know? Come like you tighten it more, man. I kill a one, kill me. Make the ears of me pass out and sitting.
Now it's for you. Yeah, I say, no, good, sir.
Yeah.
Skinny shot.
Your bike, left hand side the brake the back.
You see, me break this,
Yeah, that's your brake and your gas.
Yes?
That's up
Yes.
there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, this a gas?
This
Okay.
I guess.
Yeah.
And this I bring.
This a gas, man, them. This a brakes.
Yeah. So,
Brakes. Yeah.
hello?
Lifestyle, you know?
Man.
Yes, no, if you drive.
Man,
Yes,
good.
man. Man, deal with the thing every day,
Yes,
man.
it like it a lock off your break, no? Me I tell you, man.
Remember,
Where them a get a
Oh,
start off.
dude.
Where them a start off, you feel? You see me, man, them? Road daddy, one.
and you who for where your team then?
See me there, man. When she come back at me?
She?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Alright. Put her in front of you.
Put her in front of me, alright, go in front of me, mate. Yeah, back, alright.
Yes.
Big drive,
Oh,
I
man,
know
that's
Tim.
very cool.
Oh
Oh,
boy, you that daddy one.
Take your
daddy
time
one.
and listen to phone car.
One
Take your
daddy
time and
one.
listen to the speaker sound, yeah? Take your time.
You that boy.
You're that daddy one.
Take your time.
What's up? Catch you later.
Alright, great.
Yo, Melvin look like she can't
Me
go
know.
machine. She can't go machine Supreme.
I know.
Father. Yeah, switch it on.
Father,
Please.
gear it up. One spot.
Break.
Great. Great. Take your time and move off, yeah? Because if you press it too hard, chuck off with it.
Alright.
60.
Yo, me the one in front of me, in there. Yo! Front of me. One blocky.
I'm going from Tamil, man. You know,
Billy
Mel like the boss one. Yeah, I say Mel by.
Man,
Yeah,
the body of life, yeah, man. That's what I'm doing, man. Mel the way up there, so. Mel the way up there, so to backside. Yo, birthday youth, you alright? Birthday youth. We there, man. I want to see you, man.
Damn.
Yeah, we're active.
We're active, man. We're active.
Fully. Guys, me don't want you to feel like so no hype on me, bro. And then sit there, you see me? Me a ride bike. I'm riding a four-wheeler, man. Shit.
The four-wheeler,
What do
bro, the
that?
car has four wheels, man. The
Four-wheeler
car
right
has
here.
four wheels. That is the
I
car
wanna
has
get the
four
maddest vlog
wheels.
them. You see me show no. Me can't with me and show you this thing and show you this thing, you see me? You know man, bust me it, man. Like, share and
Head now,
subscribe.
boss, head now.
They must say Mel can't manage the bike. So look like they want to
Mel
switch
need
out
to
Mel. They
come
must say
on
Mel
10.
can't manage the bike and this man there.
Mel need to come on 10.
But me know say Mel can't manage it, bro. Me know that. Mel
No, Mel chop
hustle, you
off
know.
and bust
Me know
off.
she can't manage it. You mind tell me. What do you say? They might get a liquor bike. Oh, I get a smaller bike, it look like. You want that you want to stay upon? Yeah. Also, me log argue with them in a man them.
Yeah, Mel go. Yeah, so,
Let me go up
Mel
there.
stay there. So I go.
Say she got some and turn over, you see?
Yeah.
And then she broke up, you know. Because something I see happen before. And you broke up, right? And you're bad. Listen to me now. No, it's not because you're a woman.
Yo, I was
like.
like.
Man come out, they come job. And them say them ride bike a road and them have this and them ride
So, what you
They
want? You want to see
back
me?
and roll that.
Oh God, Mel, I still riding, man.
What you listen to me now?
Better safe than sorry,
no,
you know.
just listen to me now. So you're job, you know. Right? And something you broke up and thing. You're willing to pay for it.
No insurance.
What? And the insurance.
You
Talk
can
about.
pay
The bike.
So me never want to.
Mel, this here. Me the back of you.
Hey,
No, me the back car, man. In good, man.
no man, you good man. We'll take care of Mel, man. Don't worry about it, man.
Let me see
Like,
you. Come on,
we,
man,
chat,
them.
we,
Mel
chat.
decide
Well,
to
I
me
will
now
take
move.
care of Mel.
Show me your road.
Show them a badness. Put, they got to, they got to so pretty. No matter what they put, no nothing in eye. Oh,
I say
they
Trinidad,
put
they
no nothing in
are
eye,
sitting on
Supreme,
stuff.
father.
You know what? Yeah, all of them in a place, yeah. All of them in a place. Yo, me I try my best to go in the puff them and see this out. You can see what is what you and sit in a place, yeah. Me I try my best. Me don't know if you buy cloud right now, me don't know, but me don't know say me a flag phone, you see me? Yeah. I test the atmosphere. I think they're ready now.
You ready, chat, ready. 6 speed. I've always the 6 speed bike, man. The 6 speed, yeah. So, when you can measure speed, man, depend. Like, well. Make a look. Crazy rules. Yeah, man, them. What go on, brother? Yo, L internet, bro. L internet, yo. You like it? F F F F F F F F F tower F F F F F F F F F. Hold on. Them. That's it.
Hold on there. Hold on.
Hold
Oh, boy, man, them a beer mount the right, yes, sir.
Your mud.
Mud! Yo!
Yeah, man. Dusty road, man. Dusty road. Yeah, dusty road. Come on.
Mud daddy one.
Daddy, why?
For sure, no.
You see that you put the front of this road. What, daddy, what? Yeah, watch me.
Oh, we don't kill like a bus, youth!
Nothing you.
Yo! Oh, this a smoke up so that like it a get hot. Like it a get hot up in there.
Watch it. Smoke the daddy, what?
Yeah, man, them, yeah.
Man, damn.
Me say it a smoke while ago, me say no, sir. Yeah.
Watch it, auntie.
That smoke while ago, man, me say fully. Me look this one just a easy back. Up there, so me just a easy
Yeah,
back
man.
up there.
That's a easy back, man. That's a easy, man. Oh,
And
go
next
through,
one
man. Go
there.
through. Boy. Yo. Hey. Yo.
We good.
Good, man. Auntie,
We good. My phone is ringing up, but I don't know what happened.
phone ringing about. Can't deal with that. You hear that?
What am I saying?
Yo, answer the phone. Yo, that's what I ATV. I have to go for ATV. I have to go, man.
Tap them.
Can't name it.
How me reverse it? How me reverse it?
No, can't reverse call that.
Yeah, just the water make it a steam. Me good? Yeah, man, go man. So follow him, see me here?
Oh, go, man. Go through. Come in, my father. Go through.
Hey, say go and see me, master. Fully. Lifestyle. Break. Man, it's one next one here.
Bomba. Oh. It look like it out of the park wheels. Hola.
Yo, me say, you see, anytime I go to the water, like it steam up anytime I go to the water, it just that get hot, dog. Male for you or not?
A cool off, man.
Hot up, dog. That steam up your frig. It hot like a fire, man. Anytime I go in the water, man, that's how you move, man. My wife will know off. Make sure you're alright.
Clean, man.
Good back now. Road.
Oh, my man, road.
Road now?
Road, no.
You lock off? Road.
Road, man. Road.
Wham, you lock off?
Wham.
Call him back then now. How you blow on?
Blow on.
Blow your hand,
Burn. Daddy, what?
Mel one finally start up.
Boy.
Like Mel one I give problem. Straight. Guys, then the fix back on I buy them, so I wanna since they do it. Me that export it so me can record more. So me I show you the piece I road now. Hold on there.
Real man.
Here must come back.
More than 9 months.
Oi!
Oh, man, I'm man. They look a good metal. Wow. Oh, man. Yo, man, look like you are go part two. Yo, one level.
With this man them. Yes, yeah, with this.
This.
Look at river we are going now.
Yeah, that's that.
Oh, whoa. What a ride. Mel, how you feel? Look how Mel ducky. Like a bus, daddy one.
Wanna go to the river with them, please?
Alright, cool.
What's me, man?
I might buy me a come back for you now. Me my bike, you know. My bike. My bike, guys, you're going to the river, you know. Come in, sister.
There's a Zimis forever.
Yeah, show them to your body, your friend. They've never beat me now, you know. Yo, Mel. You see, I went to go to the sun, the water park, and his bike starts steam up. One time, I one day for me crutches about no water sitting. Can me just feel sitting about me. I say, who that man them?
No, I Supreme. Yeah, they are trying to tell you some Supreme. Yeah, but no.
Guys, all of my shoes wet up. All of my shoes wet up.
Everything wet.
I didn't like that, man. All of my shoes wet up.
Them nothing, man.
This is what you call it. This is what I can be. They want to kill our people.
No, they want to be being no man.
They want to kill our people, man.
They want to have a lot of wicked of her. How
was the ride? The ride alright?
It was pretty good, you know, like
pretty
that shit, man.
Pretty dope and shit. Let me go find yourself a look. He falls your hand, man. Falls, you know?
Falls, you know?
Alright guys, we have to do one something to me. They call me way now. They call me way now. We have to do one. Me have to remember my TikTok people, you see me? Yeah, I remote the leads, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm really this, you know. Everybody edit it.
You see me? Let me show the piece to everybody.
What's the piece there? Oh, Lord, sound hilarious. Yeah. Supreme for the block shot. Unmute.
Man, them see river, yeah. Yeah,
Did
cross
miss
river.
He rocking it there, man. Hit that man them.
What a ride. Man, them, why for that? What an adventure. Mighty
Why
God.
for that, man?
That was fun.
Mighty, mighty.
That was very, very fun.
Crazy, man. It's crazy.
Body head chipper of man them. It was a nice run.
What?
Yellow. He's a I'll wheel me wheel one night time, I don't know see. Me wheel one night time, they
Yes.
won't run them man. I go out with
You
myself
know
one
what's
day and
up?
sitting.
Wow, himself.
Take out now, pull it.
Oh, it's strap around here, sir?
Yeah.
Alright then. Guys, yo,
Man,
me I tell you,
them.
me enjoy my time. Where Mele?
Mel them.
I tell you guys, me
Mel them.
enjoy me damn time. Me enjoy me damn time, you see me? That was a nice run. Pumba. How was it? Man, that
Mel
place is
them.
sweet, me not tell you that, man. It's sweet.
And you
Man.
never want to come.
That's a,
Some dirty.
dirty like a bus, man. I want to. Are you named Buster, you know?
Good for you.
Me dirty? No, no, man. I bike like minutes, man. I'm too, Yo, bike like believe, man. That was. Eh? I want to hear that. Oh, right.
Ras.
Active, man. It's active, man.
Can I take a picture on the phone or dirty like a
So we not feel dirty, how we feel do? Alright then, my boss. Big up yourself, you know. Okay. Ugly. Like we just rob a store and coke out. You see me? Just rob a store and
Ras.
coke out. Guys, so no favorite Amel. You know, make sure not. How much likes did you tell him? 3.4?
3.4.
3.4k this time, you see me? Yo. Hey, Peter. Ah. This is getting off right at the moment.
Man, them active up, man. Man, them get your legs, man. Man, them get your legs, man. Them active out the thing, father. Hey, one supreme with the blood, the man, I think, or